A single human sneeze can blast out droplets at speeds reaching 100 miles per hour, creating an invisible storm that engulfs an entire room in mere seconds. Imagine this swift, unseen cloud dispersing microscopic particles far and wide, each droplet a tiny traveler potentially carrying germs across astonishing distances. In the blink of an eye, what seems like a simple, ordinary sneeze transforms into a rapid cascade of interactions, blending science and nature in an unexpected dance of velocity and biology. The sneeze's explosive force and reach make it a powerful, natural phenomenon, one that underscores the intricate and often surprising ways our bodies can impact the world around us. As you navigate your day, consider the incredible journey each sneeze embarks on, a fleeting yet formidable force of nature.